Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. How many of your listings still don't have a floor plan? Seriously. Photos, sure, video sometimes, but a floor plan? Well, in the US and Canada, it's still not a standard. Meanwhile, in places like Australia and the UK, a floor plan on every listing is just, well, normal. CubiCasa wants to change that. Their mission is a floor plan on every listing, and the way they're doing it is through photographers like you and me. Today I'm going to break down the CubiCasa Preferred Photographer Pro program. Say that a few times fast. Well, what is it? What do you get? And how do you join? The program is built for real estate photographers in the US and Canada. It's CubiCasa saying, hey, when an agent in your area wants floor plans or photos, we want you to be the go-to pro. It's free to join, and it turns you into the local floor plan plus photos expert in CubiCasa's network. You still run your business your way, you still control pricing, and this just supercharges what you already offer. If this sounds like you, you're a fit. You're a professional photographer offering services to the public. You have a CubiCasa account in good standing. You have a website or public profile, and there's a clear way for clients to contact you. If you check those boxes, you're basically ready. The one big requirement, and pay attention here, to be a preferred photographer pro, there's one main rule. You must include a plus floor plan with every interior real estate photo shoot. That's the standard. And you also have to clearly put this on your website or on your main booking page. Plus floor plan included with every interior real estate photo shoot. That's the exact promise CubiCasa wants you to make. Now, a couple notes so you don't stress. If a client explicitly says no to a floor plan, cool, you don't have to scan it. If it's not an interior real estate shoot, like headshots or exteriors only, etc., that doesn't count either. But for your normal interior listing shoots, the idea is simple. Photos plus floor plan every single time. All right, let's talk about the benefits because this is where it gets good. As a preferred photographer pro, you get discounts on add-ons. You get up to 25% off things like Plus 2D, Digital GLA, Rush 3D, etc. There's no oversized processing fees on 2D floor plans. There's a big discount on oversize for 3D floor plans. You get faster delivery times too. 2D floor plans are targeted for around 12 hours instead of the typical 24, and 3D floor plans are targeted for around 24 hours instead of the typical 48. You also get premium support. No more being in the general queue. You get unlimited 2D change requests, and you get early access to new features, like their current newest feature, which is photo editing. You get a marketing boost inside CubiCasa's ecosystem. And let me pause there a little bit on that one. You get extra visibility in the CubiCasa marketplace. CubiCasa has a photographer marketplace, which we previously covered in another video. This is where agents go to find shooters in their area. As a preferred pro, you get higher ranking in the marketplace search. You get a special badge that basically says upgraded floor plan always included. And overall, you get more chances to get discovered by agents who care about floor plans and data. So this isn't just about discounts. It's also about lead flow and visibility. If you're in an area where CubiCasa has an MLS partnership, you also get a couple of extra goodies. Your marketplace profile can be featured in MLS training and materials. Some MLS dashboards have CubiCasa tiles that link agents straight to the photographer marketplace. And CubiCasa can even help sponsor local realtor events. Sometimes they'll even give you account credits when they approve your idea. So if you like getting in front of agents in your market, this can be a sneaky good backdoor. When you get approved as a preferred pro, you also get one free 3D floor plan plus video render. You can use it on a brand new scan, or you can upgrade an existing 2D order to a 3D order and apply it there. It's a one-time bonus per company, and it will apply to your next 3D order after you're approved. Easy win, great marketing piece. So let's talk money and pricing. Let's clear this up because everybody asks. There is no fee to join this program. You do not have to give away floor plans for free. You can set your own price and packages. You can bake the floor plan into your package price or line item it. Or you can create photo only versus photo plus floor plan tiers if you want more upsell. CubiCasa doesn't tell you what to charge your clients. They simply just set up the discount and perks on their side. And as a pro, your plus floor plan price gets locked in. And those annoying oversized fees gets removed for 2D with a big break on the 3D oversized as well. When you shoot big homes, that adds up fast. So how does CubiCasa keep it legit? To keep the program honest and valuable, you sign an agreement saying that you'll include a floor plan with every interior real estate listing shoot. CubiCasa will check your website to make sure that your wording matches, and they'll do periodic audits. The good news is, if you already create floor plans with another product like Matterport or iGuide, you don't have to do a double scan. If your client is already getting a floor plan from that system, you're covered. Here's a step-by-step guide on how you can join. Step 1. You want to update your website or main booking page. You want to add the line, plus floor plan included with every interior real estate photo shoot. Step 2 is log into your CubiCasa account. Step 3, go to Settings, look for Preferred Photographer Pro application. Step 4, fill it out, agree to the terms, and hit Submit. Step 5, CubiCasa will review your info, check your site, and once you're approved, your new pro pricing and perks kick in on your next billing cycle. If you're still unsure or have questions, they also have a link where you can book a quick call with their team and talk through it. So here's the big picture. Floor plans are already standard in other countries. They're coming fast to our market. CubiCasa is betting on photographers to lead that shift. The Preferred Photographer Pro program gives you better pricing, better support, more visibility, and more value for your clients. If you're a real estate photographer who wants to stand out in your market, bundle more value into every shoot, and build stronger relationship with agents, then it's worth taking a serious look at the CubiCasa Preferred Photographer Pro program. Hit the site, update your wording, send in the application, and turn photos only into photos plus powerful floor plans on every listing. I just wanted to share my screen here that shows that the last couple scans I did since I've became a Preferred Photographer Pro, I've been getting charged about $11.25 for the floor plans versus previous to that, I was getting an already slightly discounted rate of about $15 for the floor plans. If you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and consider sharing it. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so. I'd greatly appreciate it. That's all I have for today. Thanks for watching.